As the track day battle wounds fade from my rear tire, I'm thinking about how to shave off more seconds and looking forward to the next season. Where owning a track bike is now one of my main goals. We're shifting our focus to a new Foodhunt episode. Join me at a gas station in Enschede, where selling petrol has just become a side hustle. The entire team is now focusing on selling sandwiches. Yes, indeed, my friends, because what I was about to taste was something I wish all of you could experience. Elmer once said he could make this even better. Well, I must put him up for a battle because I know he can cook like Gordon Ramsay on steroids. As you walk inside, you have Ömer and his team working like a well-oiled CBR 1000RR, which is flawless in every way, of course. Ömer helps you pick the best choice out of many, and within a blink of an eye, your chicken sandwich is ready to be devoured. I like my chicken not too dry nor too drippy in oil. This is exactly how I like it. They hit the nail on the head when it comes to the right balance of sauce and chicken. The bread melts in your mouth like a cotton candy, and the spicy sauce adds the perfect finishing touch. This is a 10 out of 10. Your boy couldn't have left with just one sandwich, so I ordered this roast beef sandwich. It might not be as good as the chicken sandwich, but still one of the best foods I've had. Amazing, man. This place should be a destination on its own. If you have a group ride, do not skip this spot or you will miss out.
Oh, BMW, Duitse kenteken. Wat mooi uit, man. Belgische kenteken, BMW. Oh, vet cool, jongen. Eigenlijk zou je gewoon van rechts kunnen inhalen. Nee, man, ik ga zoiets niet doen, man, van rechts inhalen en zo en weet ik veel wel. Je ziet mensen echt gek rijden, ja, een beetje hard rijden, rechtstuk, oké, maar ik ga nu niet hier naar rechts en dan weer door, nee, man. Dat is zwaar. Zal ik proberen om een kaartje te geven? Ik heb hem in mijn linker jaszak. Misschien als ik hem met rechts eruit kan halen, dan kan het wel. Ik zie hem wel in mijn spiegel. Kan wel, maar dan moet ik koppeling inhouden, denk ik. Even kijken. Ik heb hem. Bro, als het mij niet lukt, jongen. Volgens mij wel, een van deze. Volgens mij die Mercedes. Ha 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 ha! Bro, dat was echt gaaf, joh. Hij pakt hem ook nog. To the guy that took that cart from me, if you subscribe, let me know. that was something that I wanted to do for a long time. And you are the first guy that actually took that cart from me on the highway. Thank you so much. Welcome to the channel, I guess. Amazing, man. Oh, that's such a nice thing. Thank you. What the? Bro! Kijk links! Woe! Zelfde motor als die van ons volgens mij. Foodhunt to turn into bike hunt. Let's go! This is the exact same color and scheme that I wanted this bike to be. But that's a 600. I wanted the 1000 variant. Look at it. That's just beautiful, man. Oh, rechts of niet? Hij haalt voor rechts in. Well, the highway is like a coin flip. It could be like really boring, or you could like experience the whole world in one trip. It's incredible. Everything happens in this ride. It's a shame that I don't have any more cards in my jacket, or else I would have handed out one to him as well. I'm gonna put more cards into here. But I'm afraid that if I put one card out, all of them are gonna like fly out my pocket because I have these gloves. I don't have control of what I do with my hands inside of my pockets. Alright, here we go. There's water everywhere. I'm getting really, really fucking wet. Oh my god, oh my god.